looking for where to go to get really nice, affordable, long-lasting, and good quality bundles, then I'm going to talk about where I go to get my hair. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shandacia, and if you are new here, welcome. So I know I've been MIA for a little bit. I just really needed a break, but I got my hair done. I got my hair done on Friday, I think it was. So I was off work and I had booked to get my hair done because I was just so tired of my wig. Like, I had front bangs before, if you guys were watching previous videos, but I decided, you know what, it's time for something new, something different. I love getting a fresh sew-in, so I thought that I would come on here and just share my hair because I get a lot of questions about where I buy my hair from. So I go to 3 different places to buy hair. I like to go to beautyforever.com, Nadula, and Unice. So for the hair that I have in today, I got from Unice Hair, and it was really good. So they always have like these really great deals. I love to buy hair around like coupon time, like discount code time, and it's very common. I know you can also get hair from AliExpress, like you can look for the brands on there, but I really like to just go to their websites because that's usually where you get all the nice deals and everything. Also with Unice, they have an app that you can go to buy hair from, and they usually tend to have really great discounts on that app as well. Okay, so let's get into the specs of the hair. So I like to keep my hair a little bit short, even though my hairstylist, she gave me layers and she cut it a little bit shorter than normal, but I really love this length so much. It just looks so elegant. Like, I love how she cut it and I love the layers that she gave me. But basically the length that I like to get is 18, 20, and 22. 22, if it's not cut, usually sits like about right here on me, but she cut it and curled it and it just looks a little bit shorter, so I love that. So to get all 3 bundles, because we live in Canada, the conversion is a little bit different. I think it's like it was about 180 before the conversion, and then after conversion was about 2 something. So still not terrible for the hair, although I do wish it wasn't so expensive converting it to Canadian dollar, but whatever, it's still not that bad. The wefts came really nicely. I really wish I recorded myself doing an unboxing. I'm gonna do that next time I go for a sew-in. I really wish I showed you guys what the wefts look like, because the wefts look really good and they're really good quality. I don't experience any shedding or anything like that. It really holds onto a curl. So for me, what I like to do is I love to do flexi rods the night before. But I'm going to insert a picture of how the curls looked after my stylist curled my hair because it looked so good. It looks so good. Normally, whenever I use flexi rods, the curls tend to stay the entire day and I don't really put anything in it. Before, what I would do is if I am going to put anything in my hair, I'll put mousse in my hair. So I'll put like the Lotta Body hair mousse. It's all in my bathroom right now, so I'll just show like a little picture here of what I use. I'm a little too lazy to get up right now. I gotta go to work. So I would use my Lotta Body hair mousse, and then I would use about 3 to 4 flexi rods. Right now I use the purple ones, or I'll use the green ones, but I really want to get thicker flexi rods because it'll give me like a nice bouncier and thick curl. So I want to get something a little bit thicker, and I'm thinking about stopping by my beauty supply store and getting some of those. But I really do like to just use flexi rods, and I'll just tie my hair at night. I will put like a bonnet over it just to preserve my hair. I will do a video, if you follow me on TikTok and Instagram, I'll do a video on how I maintain my curls overnight and the method that I use, because it's really simple and it's the best way, honestly, to maintain your hair. When it comes to like maintenance of my bundles, I do wash my hair. I take care of my hair underneath as well. So there are 2 oils that I really like because it comes with like that nice nozzle, so I can just get right in between the tracks. So I use the melanin hair care I think it's multi-purpose hair oil, and I also use an African Pride, I believe it's African Pride hair oil as well, to get into my scalp and make sure my natural hair is really nice and moisturized. And I've experienced so much growth since my last sew-in by doing that, just making sure that my actual hair is moisturized, so that's a plus. To wash my hair, like the bundles, I don't use anything super crazy to wash it. I don't want to use something that's going to put too much moisture or too much stuff on the hair, because less is truly more when it comes to maintaining good bundles, at least for me. So I use native shampoo, and I'll use Tresemme conditioner. And if my hair needs a little bit of an oomph, maybe it's getting a little old and I just want to bring back the moisture, I'll use the silicone mix deep conditioner on my bundles as well to make sure it gets a little bit nice. My real hair, I do still like to get in there with a shampoo, but I don't want to use something too stripping, so I'll probably still use that same native shampoo, or I'll use a shampoo that I'm currently using right now. Right now I'm using Afro-G to wash my hair, but I really am looking for a new shampoo to use. I want to try the Melanin, I think it's the African Black Soap shampoo, because it, again, it has that spout or the nozzle thing at the top, so it can get really in between my hair. And also I use the Melanin Hair Care deep conditioner, and that stuff is so good. So I'm thinking about trying that and getting the conditioner as well, so that I can make sure that my leave out and my actual hair is getting taken care of as well. And speaking of leave out, I try not to straighten my hair too much. So using a silk scarf really helps with that, honestly. And the right edge control to get my edges down really helps with not having to straighten my hair so much. And there's some other products that I like to use, like I have a wax stick that I use on my leave out, and I have a hairspray that really helps to prevent frizz. I use the Wow hairspray. I think that's what it's called. The brand is called Wow, something like that. I use that, keeping my hair straight. And if it gets a little frizzy, I don't really mind it too much, because I also don't like I tell my hair, well, my hairstylist doesn't use that, like doesn't leave too much hair out. I don't know why I can't talk today, but there isn't that much leave out. So I don't have to worry so much about my hair, um, had experiencing heat damage or anything like that. So that's cool too. The thing that actually helps me combat heat damage as well is the 2 minute, I think it's the 2 minute keratin treatment from Afro-G. So I use that on my leave out when I'm doing my washes, because it really helps with making sure that my actual hair doesn't, damage or anything like that. So that's cool too. But if I was to say what I prefer over a wig and a sew-in, it would definitely be the sew-in, because wigs are great. Like, it's convenient in terms of like you don't have to straighten your hair too much. You don't have to worry about like, damage on your hair. But it can ruin your edges so much. And I find that I have sensitive skin. So when I put the glue and the everything, my skin just starts to itch and feel so uncomfortable. And I just find that wigs are just temporary. I feel like, at least for me, I can't wear a wig for a long time. But a sew-in, I can keep in for like 2 to 3 months. I can go and get a touch up and I can come back. With a sew-in, it's just so much more convenient, and I don't have to worry about taking it off at night. It's just like styling my normal hair. And even in the morning when I'm getting ready for work or wherever I'm going, it's just a quick and easy situation. Like, I don't have to worry about, oh, my hair is not blending or my hair is not whatever. It's super easy, and I just prefer it. Are you a sew-in girl? Or are you a wig girl? Let me know in the comments below. Yeah, that's it. That's all. I do have an affiliate link in my description box if you want to purchase some Unice hair bundles. I think they are going to be having a sale coming up soon. Of course, they like to have like their Black Friday sales usually come out pretty quickly, and Boxing Day and all that kind of stuff. So it's holiday time coming up, and I'm sure you want to get some hair for yourself as well. Yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes to hair. When it comes to my hair, at least, I just like to keep it looking elegant and nice and simple, professional, and all those things. I do color. I've done color a few times, and I have recorded myself with color in before. So you've seen color. I've done V-part wigs too, which are great alternatives if you don't like lace, but I have a really small head. So whenever I do V-part wigs, it like the back just feels loose and everything. So when it's just, it's there, it's in, and it's not going anywhere, and I just prefer it. So let me know what you think. If you like this video, if you want me to do like a review in a month or in a week or whatever. It's only been a few days. Oh, and shipping. I ordered my hair on a Thursday and it arrived the following week on like a Thursday, and I ordered it kind of late. I don't like to order hair after booking my appointment. I like to have the hair and then book the appointment because then the stress isn't there. But the shipping was phenomenal. It came super fast and I'm really happy about that. So that's why I always like to go to Unice and Beauty Forever and Nadula, because I never have an issue with shipping and I never have an issue with the hair. Out of all three though, Unice is probably my favorite. That's all I'm saying. So yeah, I think that's all that I wanted to talk about with this hair. So let me know if you want like more styles, if you want to see how I actually style it. I will show you more maintenance. I usually do videos like that on TikTok and Instagram. So if you want to see more of that, then make sure you are following me on there. And that's all for today. I'm going to head to work, but I hope you all have a phenomenal day and I'll see you guys in a later video. Bye.